Currently we are running with the topic. The topic name is called as a function spot number 1. There is a major topic is running which is called as a written keyword. What keyword actually? Today I will give a complete recap, then I will continue actually. And then we are entering into the next topic. The topic name is called as a function spot number 2. What is the topic, sir? Function spot number 2 also we are going to start in another few minutes actually. And this one is a 19. And even we are continuing with functions, written keyword and functions port number 2. And the running notes number 19. Good. This is really good. And which day? 19th session. And this one is the topic is running and a specific date. The running notes is really helpful for you. Which day, what topic we covered actually. Still this one is running. We are going to close this one today. Yeah. And all right. Okay. First point immediately. Let me give a recap about the written keyword. Then I will continue the today's session. Recap about what exactly. Please explain yesterday topic again. That's what we are doing. Okay. Recap. Written keyword actually. What exactly, sir? Written keyword. Please make a note. First of all, written is a keyword. Written is what exactly? It's a keyword. Written is a keyword in Python. Keyword in what exactly? Python. So the very first point. Written keyword we can apply. We can apply only on two topics. Only on how many topics? Two topics. First one is a function. Next one is a method. Next one is what exactly? Method. What is a method? We can see later. But anyway, we are running with what exactly? Function topic. What topic actually? Function topic. I mean to say, understand these combinations. These are all valid combinations since long we are saying. If plus else, sir, valid combination. What combination? Valid combination. I would like to say valid. We can apply. Daniel, for plus in, valid combination. Next one, written keyword. Chapani? Function, valid combination. What combination? Valid combination. Okay, I would like to say valid. Written plus method, valid combination. What is the method? We can see later. Daniel, only written. What exactly? Only written. Can I write example? Sir, Chapani? Invalid. What exactly, sir? Invalid. Invalid combination actually. Please make a note on this one. I request you, kindly please available at right time actually, so that you cannot miss not even any point actually. Come on, let's move on. Whenever, if you really wanted to use a written keyword, what is required, sir? Function is required. Anyway, we are discussing about the topic. The topic name is called as the function oriented. Let me talk about this one instead of this one actually. Written plus what combination, sir? Function combination. Okay, cool. So please understand this combination. Written plus function. We are going to write a function. We are going to write what exactly? Function. That function name is a balance. What is the function name? Balance. Good. Now here, a function. So simple. Here I have written a function. It is a normal function. No parameter, no return. Chapani? No parameter, no return. You can call the function directly. What is output here actually? Hello. Very nice. The output is what exactly, sir? Hello. This one is one example. Now let me tell you. Let me write a function. Function name is a balance. Function name is what exactly? Balance. And here, let us just try to write my balance is column symbol. Now here let me write return. Kind of some, you can write any number actually. Here is the point. If a function having return statement, listen carefully, you should not call like this actually. If a function having return statement, that function calling, first call the function, you need to assign into variable. You need to assign it to what exactly? Now print that variable. Print that what exactly? Variable. Who already know 1 minute? Who already know Python? Many people don't have an idea why we are assigning. I'm sure today you got a realization point actually. Okay, that's what we are assigning actually. Am I right or not, sir? Why we are assigning, for future purpose. What purpose actually? Future purpose. That variable we are going to use in further code actually. And you can also call as, by using that variable, we can create a business logic. We can create what logic actually? Business logic. Am I right? That's what even we have done yesterday actually. Good. Let me execute this example. We'll get an idea. Let me repeat one more time. If a function having return statement, that function calling, we need to assign into variable. Then this variable value, I mean to say this value, it will be stored inside of this variable. Chapter, this value, it will be stored inside of what exactly? This variable. This variable we can use further. Can I ask you one question? What is the value for B actually? 1 lakh. Chapandi. 1 lakh. What is the value here actually? 1 lakh. Take this one and let's execute this. Sir, who missed yesterday's session? Literally speaking, you missed very important session. If anyone missed out yesterday's session, I don't know what to say. You have literally missed a very important session actually. Go back and go to the desktop, coding, save this one. You can run this code actually. Yeah, kindly see. The expected output is what exactly, sir? My balance is 1 lakh. What is the balance? 1 lakh. Now, yesterday we covered these are all. Daniel, what is the need of this one? What exactly need of this one? And here can I maintain some text actually? Function plus return. This one is what exactly, sir? Function no return. What exactly? No return. No return. It is having return. Good. Now the Daniel, can you tell me by using this variable what we can do? Sir, by using this variable, you can create a business logic. You can create what logic actually? Business. Let us just try to create one by one. If B, the first logic will be always check with the 0. Banking application, what they will do, when you're talking about the balance, only 3 checks actually. Check number 1, either your balance is the 0. Check number 2, either your balance is less than 0. Check number 3, either your balance is greater than 0. That's it. Only 3 checks based on the domain actually. Imagine if your balance will be, balance. You can talk like, balance. If your balance is, you can just directly print what exactly? B value. Chudani. Let me run this example. Chappan sir, balance is a 0. Chappalandaru, balance is a 0. Good. Do one thing. It would be really good, this statement, if you add here actually. And you can just try to, so yeah, good practice. Are you with me? You can do like this as well. Now indirectly here we can write business logic. Business logic number 1. If we assign function calling to the variable, then this variable we are reusing. What we are doing? Reusing. Good. The next one will be, imagine negative balance. What balance actually? Negative balance. This code will not work. I mean to say, no output actually. Then create another logic. If B, chapani, less than 0, then you have to talk directly. Here, you can print, boss, it's negative. Boss, what exactly? It's negative. Please deposit some money. Please, what exactly? Deposit some money. Otherwise, some charges. What exactly? Some charges. End of the month actually. Am I right or not, sir? So we are giving an idea. Try to provide B actually. It's negative. It's negative. Can I make it the statements very short actually? Please deposit some money. Deposit some money. Deposit money. It's okay. Cool. You can still, the example is valid actually. If you want, you can run. Yeah, you will get an output. Boss, it's negative. Deposit some money. Otherwise, some charges actually. Chapter andaru. Are you getting everyone? Good. Let's take this example. Daniel, it's not 0. It's not even negative. We can take value at runtime also, Mahesh. That example we already done actually. and it is not a zero, it is not even negative, then you can print what exactly, sir? Balance. You can print the balance. And here imagine something like a, now let us run this example. See, are you getting or not, sir? Now back to the session. We already covered, these are all discussion yesterday. Now let's open the material. This example is explaining about, can I maintain some running nodes function having written and checking balance. Checking what exactly, sir? Balance. And this one also same. And this one also same. Simple. Every time we are checking the balance. Based on that, we are providing. Yesterday I covered these are all. Let's continue today's session. Go back to the material. Go to the Python and function spot number 1. Click on this. We covered these are all. This statement is important. I wanted to hear from your sweet voice actually. Come on. If a function contains return statement, then that function calling we need to assign into variable. Good. Even I covered yesterday. Why we need to? Sir, how many keywords? 2 keywords. 2 keywords. Tell me. df return. Back to the session. Why we need to assign Daniel? We can reuse and we can create a business logic. We can create what exactly? Business logic. That's what we're doing here. And all right. Below program also valid but not recommended actually. This one is important point. This one is what exactly? Important point. Are you ready? Can I continue? Good. Go back to the discussion. Same example. Here onwards, all examples depends upon written only. Let me write an example. Balance. I hope you already know. And here you can just try to print balances and column symbol. And here you can write return. Here you can write what exactly, sir? Return. Return of some value. Return of what exactly? Some value. Now here, think logically. If a balance having, if a function having return statement, that function calling, we need to assign it to what exactly? Variable. Then you need to print that one. We already know this discussion actually. Right? We already know this discussion. Get ready, we'll ask one interview question. Output is the same. Right? Now, think like this. Can I say this B means balance function call actually? Cheppandi sir. B means what exactly? Balance function call. Cut this one, you can add like this. This is still valid example. This is still what exactly, sir? Valid example. Am I right or not, sir? Instead of printing B, we are taking right hand side value. We are printing inside print. We can use actually. See, you will still get the same output. You will still get what exactly? Same output. First of all, did you understand or not? Are you with me or not, sir? If you want Control Z actually, kindly please make a note. What exactly I done, you know? B we are printing actually. Can I say this one is LHS value? What value? LHS. LHS is equivalent to RHS. Instead of printing this B, take this complete RHS value. You can print here. This one is a valid point. This one is what exactly? Valid point actually. Now let me run this example. Yeah, you know this one is valid example. But can I tell one thing? This is not recommended. You should not print like that actually. Can you tell me why? Come again. Very good. Excellent actually. Sir, if no variable, how you can create a business logic? How you can reuse actually? Exactly. Every time we need to call that function actually. Are you with me or not? I mean, this point is literally valid but not recommended actually. You should have an idea actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Come on. So I hope, you know, here I have explained. Below program also valid but not what exactly? You should understand. Of course it is valid but not recommended. But not what exactly, sir? Recommend. Ante ala meer రాయకూడదు. You should not write like that actually. Okay. Good. Nice point. You know, valid. Below example, but not recommended. But not what exactly? Recommended. Recommended actually. More the next example. What is the next example, you know, sir? Did you understand? Can I get a response from you? Good. If you really understand, let us have a small discussion. We'll see. చిన్న డిస్కషన్. DEF M1 ఫంక్షన్. హాయ్. DEF M2 ఫంక్షన్. HAI. Return 10 value. DEF M3 function. Hello. Yeah, good. Now I have a small question. Total how many functions? 3 functions. 3 functions. First function, no return. If no return, call the function directly. Good. Yamare? Chappal sir andaru. Valid point actually. All right. Second function, having return. Then tell me the statement actually. Function calling, we need to assign into variable. Yeah, very good. Function calling, we need our statements much more good. A equals to what exactly? M2. Then print of what exactly? Very nice. Print of what exactly? Yeah. Very good. You guys connected very well actually. Nice, very good. Now M3. Tell me how to call. Call directly. What exactly? Call directly. Now here onwards, what we need to understand, let us play small game actually. What is that? There is one query online team. Sir, not just 3, but 4 functions actually. Good, sir. Yeah, 4 functions. We will accept actually. Print also considering, one of online team, he is telling, Ari Daniel, it is the 4 functions actually. Am I right? Let us accept M1, M2, M3. What is the next one actually? Print. Cool. Let us just try to play a small game actually, sir. This one is a technical game. Get ready. Technical game actually. So you need to respond. Based on what I'm writing, you need to respond actually. What we need to respond, Imagine M1. What exactly, sir? M1. No doubt at all. First of all, this one is a function call. What is the syntax actually? Function call. Good. By looking at that function call, you need to guess automatically. Daniel, no parameter. What exactly, sir? How can we say? If it is a parameter, we should pass the value. Am I right? Good. Next one will be. Not only that, you can think like, no return. Am I right? Chappan, sir. Good. Next చూడండి. M2 of, let us pass some 10 value. Now I wanted to hear from you. చెప్పండి. Function call. Next one. One parameter. What is that? One parameter. Next one. Nice, man. Very good actually. Very good. Next one. A equals to M3. A equals to what exactly? M3. Sir, can I hear from you? చెప్పండి. Function call. Next one is it? చెప్పండి, sir. No parameter. Very good. And next one will be having written. What exactly? Having written. Very nice. Now today you need to understand, by looking at that function call, you need to derive these are all things actually. Okay, that is a function call. Having any parameter? No parameter. If it is having parameter, you need to tell there is a parameter. There is what exactly? Parameter. Did you understand? Now let me tell you. This one is a real-time example. Real-time example. If you really understand, I feel so happy actually. Get ready to answer. A equals to, hello, yeah. Now B equals to ln of A. ln of what exactly, sir? A. Can somebody talk about this length actually? ఈ length గురించి ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడతారు యాక్చువల్గా? Hold on. First one will be function call. What exactly, sir? Function call. Did you remember length is a predefined function actually? ఏమరే చెప్పండి. Next one will be one parameter. Very good, man. Next one is having written. Having what exactly? Written. That's why whenever you are calling length of A, you can use print of length of A, or else you can assign one variable actually. You can assign what exactly? One variable. Please make a note. Length is a predefined function having written statement in the backend. Having written statement in what exactly, sir? Backend. Are you with me or not, sir? See, if you really understand this technical game actually, exactly, so like this you can easy to understand. Length of what exactly, sir? A actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Daniel, how this parameter? Simple, man. Length of function, we need to provide some parameter actually. It's a function call having one parameter, having written. Absolutely very good. Game is seriously super. Game is closed actually. Let's move on. Let me drink water. Where are we? We done these are all. A method can return a value as well. So we'll learn this concept again and what exactly. Whoops. Team, important interview question. Important interview question. Important question. Get ready to understand. Sorry, sir. DEF, the same story. M1 of, and let me just try to write print off, and here you can just try to type hello, and return off something like a 100 value, or else 10 value, 20 value, anything you can take actually. B equals to, Chapan sir, B equals to balance of, yeah, then you can just try to print what exactly? B. What happened, sir? Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. M1. Please don't scold me. Let's run this. Good. Hello, what exactly? 100 you are getting output. Let me tell you one small point. If a function having return statement, then you can assign it to the variable. That variable you can print actually. You can what exactly, sir? Print. Now there was one student previously, he asked one question. The question will be, hey Daniel, think like, I have written a function. I have written what exactly? Function. My function name is M1. Yeah, yes, sir. Then there is a statement. That statement is a hello. What exactly? Hello. Team, Daniel, no function, no return statement. Still imagine I assign variable. First of all, can I assign? You can assign. Understand this one. If a function having return statement, then only we should assign into the variable. Think like no return, but still I assigned. What happened? Nothing happened actually. Let me print that one. Now in this scenario, what happened, sir? Let me tell you. If a function having no return statement, if you are assigning into the variable, then this function can return a value. That value is called as a none data type. What data type? Chappalandaru. One more time. None data type. None data type actually. Let us run this example. Chudani ikkada. Wow. What is the data type name, sir? Don't ask what is none. Either it is butter none or normal none actually, right? Go back. I'm sorry. Go back to our material. There was a one point I kept hold actually. Meeku gurtunda? Go to the none data type. And here, yeah. See, when I was explaining about the data type, I told, by holding your hand, sir, don't worry. A function and method can return what exactly? None data type. Now today you can understand actually. Today you can understand. Conclusion of the story. If a function having no return statement, still it is returning none data type. What data type? None data type. Sir, chappalandaru. None data type. None data type. All right. Good. You guys understand. Let me tell you one small shortcut. First of all, I'm sorry. Don't think too much. Function, no return statement. Call the function directly. That's it. It's very easy to remember. Am I right? Function, no return statement. Don't assign with variable. But let me tell you, function, return statement. Now talk with me. That's it. Ala gurtunchukondi. That's very easy process actually. Okay. Yeah. Back to the session. Regarding the return, almost 80% we done. How long? How much, sir? 80%. 80%. This is something like when you are launching the rocket. Actually, I'm telling 10%, 20%, 30% like that. If a function is not written anything, then by default that function returns what value, sir? None data type. We can also say as if you are not writing return statement, then default return is what exactly? None. See here actually. See here. Generally you should not write like this, but still if you are writing, nothing is wrong. Right? None data type actually. More to the next discussion. Tell me, sir, a function can return multiple value. One more time. A function can return multiple value. One more time. A function can return multiple value. Till now, a function is returning single value. Example we have seen. Now let me tell you a function we are going to write which can return group of values. First value, second value, third value. Then you can easy to understand actually. Are you ready? Come on, let's move on. Let me write one example. You will get an idea. DEF. So please make a note one point actually. Here I wanted to introduce one more point. Let me write one small function and print off. Hello. Sir, this is something like you are playing with the code actually. Return 100 value. What value? 100 value. Instead of hard coding, what you can do, A equals to take this 100 and you can return what exactly, sir? A. This one is valid example. Are you getting or not, sir? I mean to say, instead of, hard coding the value here, instead of return of none, what you can do is create a variable and return that variable. Return what exactly? Variable. Are you with me? This is still valid. Now go back here. Whenever you are calling the function, don't give this name of the variable, give the different variable. Otherwise, you will get confused actually. Now you can print what exactly, sir? B. This one also valid. This one also what exactly? Valid actually. Can I get a response? Are you getting everyone? Instead of hard coding, assign into variable, return that variable. Assign into what exactly? Variable and return that variable. This one is a valid example. Good. Kindly please look at my screen. Combination. These are all easy. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Now we are entering into the actual discussion. Valid example. What we are entering, I request you everyone, kindly please join at right time. Why? Because please, if you are coming late, actually, my motto will be, you may miss the important points. You may miss what exactly? Important point. If it is some personal emergency, that is okay, but don't join it late. Actually, I please, I request you. All right, Daniel. Now we are going to write an example function with function with one return value. Function is returning one value. And second combination, function is returning two values. Function is returning three values. All these combinations we are going to say. Get ready to see, sir. Chudandi ikkada actually ga. DEF M1 function. Same example I would like to take. Print of hello. Yeah. Now let us create a equals to 10 and otherwise 10, 20, 30 and return what exactly? A. Return what exactly? A. Then x equals to chaptara M1. Now let us just try to print what exactly? X. Very good. We already know this example. We already know actually. Take this example. Now this one is not new for us actually. I know this one. Next example is the new for you. What is the next example? A function is returning how many values, sir? Chaptara? Two values. This is seriously interesting actually. Seriously interesting. Let me show you the example. Are you ready? Come on. Very important. DEF M1 print of hello. Print of what exactly? Hello. Now A equals to 10, B equals to 20, B equals to what exactly? 20. Now let us write return of A comma B valid in Python. Listen carefully. Previously single value. Previously single variable. Hello Daniel, can I return multiple values? Sir, you can return. You can return. But small change in the syntax. If a function is returning two values, then function calling you need to assign into two variable. You need to assign into what exactly? 2 x comma y. Am I right or not, sir? Chepan, sir. Here how many values actually? Two value. Then how many variables required actually? That's it. That's it actually. Okay. Now let us just try to print what exactly now? X comma. Let us just try to print y. Conclusion of the story. If a function is returning two values, that function call we need to assign into two variable. Can I ask one more question? If a function is returning three values, then we need to assign into three variable. That's it. If a function is returning four values, then we need to assign four variable. That's it. Best examples are two persons, two chocolates, three persons, no sharing here actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Since my childhood, my brother and myself, we used to fight each other like that. Good. All right. Let's take this example. Now the next example. There is one important interview point here actually. The next point will be a function is returning. Let me tell you three, then I will continue with the discussion. Three values. What exactly, sir? Three. Are you ready? Come on. Now I need your help. Literally, actually. DEF M1. Team, every time why I'm deleting the code, why I'm writing actually, so that you can understand we are writing from scratch. I still I can explain the existing code actually. I mean to say, all you guys joined here to learn the coding actually, always start from the scratch. always starts from what exactly? Catch. You can easy to understand actually. DEF M1. Sorry. Print off. What you can say, hello. Yeah. Now come on, sir. A equals to 10. Chappan. B equals to 20. I'm sorry, sir. C equals to 30. Very good. Now chapter everyone. Written A comma B comma C. Good. Now I need your help. X comma Y comma Z equals to M1. Nice syntax, man. Print of X, print of Y, print of Z. Still we can print X comma Y comma Z, but let me follow my standard actual. I know that syntax. Valid example. What example? Valid example. If you really understand this one, here is the interview question. Here is an interview question actually. What is the question? Go back to the discussion. Hey Daniel, a function is returning one value. Sir, we have to assign one variable. A function is returning two value. We have to assign. Chappan sir everyone. Two variable. A function is returning three value. Then we need to assign. Daniel, I will assign only one variable. I will assign what exactly? Only one variable. This one is valid syntax actually. This one is what exactly? Valid syntax. Here is the important interview question. Let me tell you. If a function is returning multiple values, we can still assign with single variable. You can still assign with what exactly? Single variable. Now let me tell you. This program will be executed by Python interpreter. Python interpreter can sense these are all group of values. These are all what exactly? Group of values. A group of values, it is possible to store by using data structure. By using what structure? Data structure. Python interpreter will go to the data structure. There are 4 data structures in Python. List, tuple, set, dictionary. Python interpreter will tell, hey, user have written one program. Programmer have written one program and he is assigning only one variable. Can somebody come and can somebody store the value? It will request actually. During that time, one data structure will raise the hand actually. That data structure is a tuple data structure. What data structure? Chappal andaru. Now this X behaves like what exactly? Tuple. Tuple actually. Come on, children. You can understand. Such a nice discussion. Wow. This one is a tuple data structure. There is a reason why only tuple actually. I can talk during tuple data structure. There is a reason. I will talk. As of now, you don't know about the tuple data structure. Am I right or not, sir? Conclusion of the story. If a function is returning group of value, imagine 3 values. During function calling, we have to assign 3 variables, sir. No, Daniel, I will assign only one variable. That is still fine. Then that variable behaves like a tuple data structure. That variable behaves like what is that? Sir, tuple or tuple actually? Tuple. We need to pronounce like a tuple actually. Okay. Now take this one. Point. Function is returning 3 values. Then we need to assign function call with 3 variables. How many variables? 3 variables. If we assign with only one variable, then that variable behaves like tuple. What exactly, sir? Tuple. Simple. That's what you need to be understand. I'm sure you understand clearly. Regarding the return statement, 95% is over actually. The last example is, yeah, let's move on to the discussion. In Python, a function can return multiple values. Come on, look at my screen. Look at my screen. Based on requirement, a function can return multiple value. Can you read this actually? What is this topic name? A function can return multiple values. One more time. Team, trust me, this topic is actually same topic they are using in a machine learning. They are using in what exactly? During machine learning, I will revise one more time. In a machine learning, there is a topic. The topic name is a train underscore test underscore split. What is the topic name? Train underscore test underscore split. When you call that function, it returns multiple values. It returns what values actually? Then here you should understand what is a function, how it is returning multiple values actually. Team, I need a response. Getting right? Yeah, let's continue. If a function is returning 2 values, then while function call, we need to assign to what exactly? 2 variables. If a function is returning 3 value, then while function call, we need to assign it what exactly 3 variable. Hey Daniel, if a function is returning more than 1 values, imagine 3 values, while function call, if you assign with only one variable, then that variable behaves like what exactly? Tuple data structure. What data structure? Yeah, good. I hope you're getting. Daniel, why tuple? Hold on. Hold on. I understand your counter question. Counter question. Your counter question. Are Daniel, please, why tuple actually? Why tuple here? Why tuple? What exactly here? Sir, my answer will be kindly wait until tuple topic actually. Until what exactly? Tuple topic. Why? Because that is a big discussion. I'm sure I will again come here and I will tell the reason actually why it is a tuple actually. Are you with me? Can I continue? Good. Please let's continue. Can you stop? Yeah, sure, sir, sure. Feel free in the class actually. If you are not comfortable, do let me know. I can help you. I can technically. Are you with me or not, sir? Good, good. Yeah. Fine. We done these are all. Yeah. Function returning two values. We need to assign into two variable. We know this example. Function. It is returning three variables. We need to I'm sorry. It is returning three values. We need to assign three variables. The last example. Sir, function, it is returning three values. We have assigned only one variable. Possible. Then this variable behaves like a tuple data structure. What data structure? How we can recognize actually? Because it is, holding all values with what symbol? Parenthesis. Previously I covered during data types actually. List is square brackets, tuple is parenthesis, set is curly brace, dictionary, curly brace with key value pairs. Can I write actually? If you want, I can write. Small recap. List. Daniel, we can create by using square brackets. Tuple. We have to pronounce like a tuple, but not tuple actually. Tuple and anagodu. Set. What is the next one, sir? Square brackets with values. Yeah, curly brace. And dictionary. When key value pair. What exactly, sir? Key value pairs. Cool. Let's move on. Team last example. Last example, even for function spot number 1 and even for return keyword actually. Get ready, very, very important. If you really understand this example, the total chapter, with the total chapter I have created one example actually. Everything it will come here actually. Good. What are all topics it will come here, This one is a very important example. Very important example. I have defined in such a way that we are going to create a function. Okay. We are going to create what exactly? Function. And next, we are going to create a parameterizer function. What function, sir? Parameterizer function. And we are going to take especially return keyword also. What keyword, sir? Return keyword also. Get ready to understand. Yeah, return keyword also. Only as of now, only one value we are taking actually. Get ready to understand. I'm sure every point you can connect actually. Every point you can connect. DEF, add function. What function, sir? Add function. A comma B. What exactly? A comma B. Successfully I have created a function. Daniel, parameterizer function. What function? Ante kada. Even yesterday we have covered. Now C equals to A plus B. C equals to what exactly mean? A plus B. Now written C. Written what exactly? C. Come on, let me repeat again. We have created a function. Daniel, parameterizer function. Yes, that parameter is supposed to take value. We are processing the result. Now we are returning the result. We are what we are doing? Returning the result. Come on, let us apply the all rules actually. Rule number 1. If you have created a function, you need to call the function. Rule number 1. If a function having parameter, if a function having what exactly? No, hold on. Point by point I can explain. Don't be hurry. Function having return, don't come here actually immediately. First you have to think like, you have to always start the journey from here. A letter. Okay, you call the function. Is this function having parameter? Yeah, Daniel. Then pass the values. if a function having parameter, we need to provide the values while calling the function. First parameter 10, చెప్పండి, next parameter 20, cool, done. Now if a function having, చెప్పండి sir, return statement, function calling we need to assign into variable. Like this we need to apply rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. Let me assign with the variable, variable name is the result. Let me assign with what exactly? Variable, variable name is the result. One small suggestion. Hey Daniel, can I take here A actually? You can take. Can I take here A actually? You can take. But you will get a lot of confusion. Avoid that confusion. Why? Because here also A is there, here also A is there. What is this A? Then you will stop learning actually. That's why a return result actually. What exactly, sir? Result. Now what I need to print last actually? Chapani? Result actually. Good. Now hold on. Successfully this program can contain function, parameterized function and return statement. Chapani, return statement. Now let's run this example. Such a beautiful example actually. Yeah, I hope you got a clear picture. Can I get a response from you? All right. Now if you really understand my explanation, I have one small discussion with you. Can you talk about this? A equals to, hello, now B equals to length of A. Let us print what exactly? B. What is the result, sir? Chapani result anta? Very good. Somebody told 5 actually. Somebody told what exactly? 5. Anyway, my motto is not to display 5 actually. Focus on this one. What we need to do? Focus on this one. Yeah, go on. Come on. Let us just try to derive the points actually. Exactly just know what I have covered. Take this point actually. Let us just try to understand the point very clearly. Hey, Daniel, first of all, function. What exactly? Function. What kind of function actually? Parameterized function. What function? Parameterized function. Okay. Parameterized what exactly? Function. And next one will be, చెప్పండి sir. Yeah, చెప్పండి. Having written. Having what exactly? Written. How can we say? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. How can we say it is having written actually? Written alone అని ఎలా చెప్తారు? Because you are assigning into the variable. Yeah, calling function you are assigning into what exactly? Sir, you need to recognize the code like that actually. There are some hidden treasure actually. Function call, parameterized function, having written. Having what exactly? Written. Bus. I'm sure you enjoyed the discussion actually. Regarding the written, trust me, regarding the written, I'm not boosting myself actually. You cannot find anywhere else actually this kind of explanation. This kind of what exactly explanation I can tell actually. Why? Because how I explained, I have explained from scratch. If anyone having any doubt actually, who already know Python తెలిసిన వాళ్ళని ఒకసారి అడగండి యాక్చువల్గా. They can understand. Even they never hear this kind of explanation anywhere else actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, please make a note on this one. Especially this line of the code is very, very important. Function calling, we are assigning into the variable. Why? To create a business logic. To create what exactly, sir? Business logic. Can I get a response, everyone? Yeah, all right. Let's move to the discussion. So if you want, I can explain the last example one more time. This example. So simple, we are taking A equals to hello and we are just trying to checking the length actually. This one is a function call. We are assigning into what exactly? Variable. Team, this one is still possible. Even just now I have covered actually. This one is still possible. This one is what exactly? Still possible, but that is not a recommended actually. Am I right? Just now I have covered actually. Go back to the discussion. I would like to say successfully we have done with the functions part number 1. Now what is the next topic, sir? Function part number 2. Part number 2. We done this and this one is a running topic. The next topic is what is the topic? 13. The next topic is a module, I guess, actually. Upcoming topic. 2 interview questions from this topic. How many interview questions? First of all, forget about the interview question. This topic we are using in real time on every day actually. Especially there are 2 topics I will talk actually. The 2 topics we are using, on regularly in a real time actually. Can I continue? Yeah, fine. Then let's continue. Open the material. Get ready. So these are all discussion. The discussion will be, kindly please understand the discussion. These are all topics we are going to discuss. There are just majorly 3. First one is let me explain the definition about formal and actual argument. What is the topic, sir? Formal and actual argument. You should have some technical definition. Next one will be types of argument. What is the next one, sir? Types of argument. Would have especially 4. Especially would have a 4 actually. Generally it is the 5, but 5th one we are not using in a data science project. 5th one we are not using in what exactly? Data science project. The 4 arguments are important actually. What is the last one, sir? Anonymous function, also called as a lambda function, also called as what exactly? Lambda function. We are going to see. Are you ready? The whole document takes on an average 2 hours explanation. We'll see. Maybe today how long we can cover, we can see actually. Click on this one. It's a right time. Online team, you're following, I guess. Can we call a function which returns a value and not assigning to any variable actually? Nageswara sir, we already done that example. Walk through our material actually. Just now I have seen your query. Back to the session. Come and look at my screen actually, sir. Look at my screen. def add. We have created a function. The function name is called as a add, which is a parameterized function. What function? Parameterized. How many parameters? 2 parameters. Then automatically try to remember, while function call, we need to provide the values. We need to provide what exactly? Value. Instead of hard coding, x equals to 10, y equals to 15, then you can provide something like this. This one is still valid example actually. Now, please be patient. Say. Let me tell you, here a comma b, here chapani x comma y. Team, I need one more response. Here what exactly? A comma b, and here is a x comma y. Here a comma b, generally we can call as a parameters. What we can call? Chappalandaru. Parameters. It is also having another name. It is also having what exactly? Another name. What is that name, you know? A comma b are called as a formal arguments. Chaptarandaru? Formal arguments. One more time. Formal arguments. Last time? Good. But in real time, we are calling like a parameters only. We are calling like what exactly? Parameters only. That is fine. Here, you are providing the value like a 10 comma 20. Here you are providing the value 10 comma what exactly? 20. The 10 comma 20 are called as a actual arguments. Chapani? Actual arguments. Instead of hard coding, you can assign into some value and still you can assign actually this one is a possible. This one is what exactly? Possible. Then if you really understand, let me just try to ask the discussion. This is the just definition you need to be understand. DAF, add of a comma b, print of a plus b. Sorry, add of 10 comma 20. Good. I have one small question for you. A comma b are called as a parameters, also called as a formal arguments, also called as what exactly? Formal. Here 10 comma 20 are called as a values, also called as a actual arguments. What exactly? Actual arguments. Good. Let's have a small theory. Here a comma b called as a parameters, and you can also call as a formal arguments. What arguments, sir? Formal arguments. Arguments. Good. 10 comma 20 are called as a values. What exactly, sir? Values. You can still also call as a actual arguments. What arguments actually? actual arguments. Good. I hope you connected actually. Then this one will be kind note. Kind note actually. Let's move on. Daniel, is it important actually? Not much important, but you have an idea actually what you are learning actually. I hope you already know. Go back to the theory. I never skip intentionally, but once you understand the topic, you will understand. When a function is created, it may have some parameters, Daniel. These parameters receives what exactly? Value. Parameters are also called as a formal arguments. Value is also called as a actual argument. Whenever we are calling the function, we should pass the values to what exactly? We should pass the values. That value is also called as a data to the function. We already know. Blah blah theory I have written actually. Now this topic is important. What is the topic? There are mainly types of actual arguments. I will tell you. You will understand. Either it is I'm talking about actual or else I'm talking about formal. You can understand. There are mainly 4 types of arguments, sir. There are mainly how many actually? 4 types of arguments. I stopped, sir, already. Okay. There are mainly 4 types of arguments. The first one is called as a positional arguments. What is the first one? Chappalandro. First one, positional argument. Second one, keyword argument. Third one, default argument. Last one, variable length argument. Tim, there is one important point actually. I told there are 2 interview questions from this material, right? The topic name is called as a keyword argument. What is the topic name? Chappalandro, what is the topic name? Trust me, this keyword argument, in entire course, I am going to repeat more than 1000 times actually. How many times? From today is the count actually. More than 1000 times we are going to use. That much very important actually. And that too, here onwards, if I pronounce my favorite topic, what exactly? My favorite topic. Immediately, how to remember what exactly? Keyword argument. What is that one, sir? Keyword argument. But anyway, I just wanted to focus on this one very clearly. Out of all these things, the second one is very important. It doesn't mean ignore the other. No. It was not like that. I will explain everything actually. Can I get a response from everyone? Yeah, good. So now please be patient. See, madam, can you please read actually all these things? Very good, sir. You can read. Sir, mere mere. Enku chododdu enakal evaru ledu. Just kidding. Yeah, come on, read actually. Sir, come on, sir, read actually. If you are fit, that's okay. Sir, you can read. No worries. All right. Feel free in the session actually. Now let me tell you, these are all important topics. These are all what exactly? Important topic. Come and tell me, first one is a positional argument. Next one, keyword argument. Third one, default argument. Last one, let's move on. Step by step I will explain. First one is the positional argument. First one is what exactly? A small kind of note actually. If you really wanted to understand function spot number 2, you should know function spot number 1. Otherwise, you can see stars in the sky actually. That too in a daytime. I mean to say, you cannot understand. Are you with me or not, sir? Conclusion of the story. The prerequisite for function spot number 2 is what exactly? Spot number 1. You should have an idea actually. Good. The first one will be, let me talk about what exactly, no? Let me talk about the positional argument. What is the first one? Let me talk about the positional argument. I will always, I would like to talk with the examples sir, first actually. Yeah, see, simple here we have created a kind of this one. And let me just try to write here, hello. Yeah, you can call the function directly. You already know this example. Let me run this one. Ayo, why we have closed actually? Let me close what all we are not using. And, yeah. Let me run this example. I will explain the example. Please be patient. See. Before I enter into the actual topic, I will always execute the normal example so that you can feel more comfortable. Yeah, we already know. I have created a function, no parameter, no return. We are happy actually. Call the function directly. Call the function what exactly? Directly. Then what is output, sir? Hello. Good. Let's take this one. And here you can tell the example will be a function. Sir, no parameter. Next one is what exactly? No return. Very good. Now the next example. What is the next example? I'm planning to take DEF M1. What exactly, sir? M1. Let me take one parameter. Here onwards the story will start actually. The actual topic will start from now. Let me take how many? One parameter. Good. Can I ask a question? This is called as a parameter. Also called as a much para. Formal arguments. What exactly? But in real time we are calling as a parameter. That is still okay actually. Now let me just try to print. I would like to say value is. What exactly, sir? Value is comma a. Comma what exactly, sir? A. Are you getting everybody? Good. Now let me tell you. Team, you already know the rule actually. If a function having parameter, we need to provide the value. We need to provide chapalandaru. The value what you are providing, this is called as a actual value. What value? This is also having another name. That name is called as a positional parameter. What parameter? Positional. I'm sorry, don't use parameter word actually. You can also call as a positional argument. Cheppanandaru? Positional argument. One more time. We already know the topic actually, but the definition is being getting changing. The definition. The value what you are providing, this is called as a positional argument. What argument? Now let me delete this one. Let me run the example actually. You will get an idea. చూడండి మీకు ఎర్రర్ కూడా ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా అదే వస్తుంది. హే డేనియల్, టైప్ ఎర్రర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. వాట్ ఎర్రర్ సార్? టైప్ ఎర్రర్. M1 missing. Yeah, Daniel. M1 having 1 missing 1 required positional. What exactly, sir? Argument. Daniel seems to be for here. You should provide the value from here actually. This one is called as a position, sir. This one is called as what exactly? Position. This one is a position for A. This one is what exactly? Position for A. Position for A. Then you should not miss that position actually. Right? Now let me take this value. Good. This example especially you have to understand from the error. You have to understand from what exactly? Error. Come on, let us just try to I would like to highlight the error also. You will get an idea. M1 missing one required positional argument. Yeah, it is missing one required positional argument. Okay. I would like to say let us just try to make a note here. That's what you need to be understand. Then Daniel, I don't want to miss. Then how to fix this code actually? How to fix this code? Provide the value. Yeah, pass the position of the value actually. Then we are able to get the output actually. We are able to get what exactly? Output. Yeah, I hope you got it. Next example, try to understand. Very easy, man. Very easy. But be strong in the subject actually. Fundamentals are important. A comma B. A comma what exactly? B. Let us just try to print. I would like to say first two value is comma A, and what is the next one? Second value is చెప్పండి సార్. M1 of, sir, how many positions we need to pass? 2 positions. How many values we need to pass? 2 positions. If you are not passing 2 value, understand the error. What is that error? Hey Daniel, M1 missing చెప్తారా 2 required positional argument A and B. What exactly mean? A and B. Now take this example. Can somebody read actually what is this one? Positional argument. Topic name also same. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Then how to fix this one? To fix this one, what we need to do? Sir, pass the values. Pass what exactly? At least can I run the example? No. Number of number of parameters and number of values should be match actually. You fix it better. That's it. You already know this discussion. That's what you need to be understand. Let us just try to read the theory. These are arguments passed to a function in a correct positional order. In what exactly? Correct. For 10 will be captured by chaptara. 10 will be captured by A. 20 will be captured by B. Correct positional order. The number of arguments and the position of arguments should be match. Otherwise, we will get a error. What is that error? Type error. What error, sir? Type error. Chudani. Sub is a function. two parameters, two value, it is processing the result. If you change the number of arguments, then we'll get an error. We'll get what exactly? Error. I mean to say, this function accepts two arguments. Then if you are trying to, provide either three values, then we'll get what exactly? Error. See, we will get error. See, sub of taking two parameters, and here you need to provide what exactly, sir? Two value. Instead, you are providing what exactly? Three value. Then you are getting a error. What you are getting actually? Error. Can I get a response or not, sir? There are total how many types of arguments? Four types of argument. First one, positional argument. First one, positional argument. Second one, keyword argument. Important. Even while I was taking interview, I used to ask this question actually. The question will be, can you please explain about the keyword argument? What argument actually? Keyword or, yeah. Voice is glitch. Online team, one of our teammate, Dinesh is telling my voice is not clear. What about others? Let me confirm from others also. If others also facing issue, then there is issue from my side. Otherwise, the issue is from Dinesh side only. My voice is clear. My voice is clear. Jyoti ma'am, Priya, Govinda, yeah, sure. No, it's good actually. Srija ma'am, Dinesh sir, our teammates they are telling my voice is pretty clear. Maybe you are having some network issue. We are sorry for this one. Try to rejoin. Okay. Otherwise, maintain good network actually. Good. Let me drink water. Let's continue, please. Where are we? Positional argument we already done. The next one will be keyword argument. What is the next one? Keyword argument. Get ready. Such a nice explanation you are going to get, and very, very important topic. Important, sir. Important topic actually. Important topic. Now there are few clarities I need to give here actually. Can somebody read what is the topic name? Keyword argument. Everybody read actually. Keyword argument actually. Good. Now, in a Python programming language, there are mainly the word is a keyword. Based on this one, there are two topics actually. The topic name is a keywords. What is the topic name? Keywords. Second topic is this one. Second topic is what exactly, sir? This one. Now let me give a small conclusion. There is no relation. What exactly? No relation in between about two topics. About what exactly, sir? Two topics. Don't think like, so the keyword came, that word came, it is having some relation. No, it was not like that. Let me give that conclusion actually. First of all, keywords topic, quite different actually. Keyword argument, separate topic actually. Are you clear? Are you with me? Let me repeat again. In Python programming language, there is a word, that word is a keyword. Based on that, there are two topics actually. But let me tell you, there is no relation. There is no what exactly, sir? No relation. It cannot depend upon this one. Even it cannot depend upon this one. I will tell you why this name came actually. First of all, be clear actually. Why? Because, once upon a time when I was taking interview, even in my company, I used to take some profiles actually. Based on my time frame, manager used to take some interview. I asked a question will be explain about the keyword argument. Explain about what exactly? Keyword argument. That student told total 35 actually. Literally I drink a water actually. I'm sorry. Did you understand or not, sir? Conclusion of this story. Then that is the interview. I should not tell not 35. The topic will be keyword arguments. Can I explain one small story? We have a time, I guess, actually. Is it fine? Can I take your 5 minutes actually? Is it fine? Yeah, let me take. Let me take 3 minutes actually. I would like to share one interview experience. I would like to share what exactly one interview experience actually. I do have even I used to, especially this was happened in the year of 2018. 2018. Let me tell you. I'm sorry. I'm taking your time. Let's continue. Sir, basically, my base company location, Bangalore actually. Bangalore. I stayed there almost 8 years actually. How many years, sir? 8 years. 8 years I stayed actually. After Corona, I back to my home. Now it is a work from home only. Now it is what exactly? Work from home. Still my company location, base location is what exactly, Bangalore only. Let me tell you, in the year of 2018, I feel like I wanted to change the company. Wanted to change what exactly? Company. Things are going fine. I'm really working with good technology and I'm getting good salary. Don't ask how much actually. And now it's something like I'm feeling like I would like to change the company. It is good to change. Sometimes the change is required. What is required, sir? Change is required. So even I'm planning to work on different domain actually. Sir, I have uploaded my profile. I have uploaded what exactly? My profile. My profile. My profile. Then I got a call and I got a call from HR and HR told, those days it will be one-to-one, face-to-face interview. What interview, sir? Face-to-face interview. Exactly 11 a.m. I got a face-to-face what exactly interview. HR called and they told, we are inviting you for interview actually. Let me tell you, now I'm getting ready. I'm getting what exactly, sir? Ready. Ready for interview. Ready for what exactly? Interview. Especially, frankly speaking, I never prepare technically. I never prepare what exactly technically. Why? Because I'm working employee. That too, I'm in teaching. I mean, what exactly, sir? Teaching. Then I'm more confident. Actually, I'm not overconfident. I'm more confident enough. But let me tell you, I myself used to prepare for one statement actually. Hold on, I will tell you what is that one. Then, sir, sorry for saying I'm very punctual. Exactly at 10:30 only, I went to the company and the team exactly at 11 a.m. interview started, sir. What started actually? Chapani? The game started actually. Now I'm feeling little tension. So I will tell you why I'm feeling actually. I myself is saying, I myself, I myself, నాకు నేనుగా చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను ఏమని చెప్తున్నాను అంటే please be control. What exactly, sir? Please be control. And even I used to tell control actually. First question will be explain about yourself. Explain about what exactly, sir? Yourself. Then I hope you already know. Even when that guy is asking a question, I myself is saying what exactly, sir? Please be control. That is myself. And I started explaining about my introduction actually. That is over. The next interview question is explain about what exactly, list to data structure. What exactly, sir? List to data structure. Then team, I lose the control. Then what I told, the first statement will be very good question. What exactly, sir? I'm sorry, did you understand? I'm in teaching field, right? If anyone is asking any question, I will tell, sir, very good question actually. I'm sorry. That guy, he shocked and he looked at me. What do you mean? I used to ask good questions only. He told actually. Then I told, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I told. Then I continued actually. Then like this, the interview went. Sir, fifth question. What question actually? Fifth question. I started explaining. I started what exactly? Explaining. In between, I'm asking, did you understand or not actually? Okay. I'm sorry, seriously. That day, after interview, I told, I'm extremely sorry. Then I revealed. Generally, I should not say. Basically, while I'm working, I used to take sessions. During session, these are all my keywords actually. Did you understand? Good question. Then that guy understand very clearly. We got qualified in that interview. Team, are you with me? That's what. Even I used to prepare interview actually myself, especially. I'm sorry, these are all out of off topic, but don't mind. Yeah. Tim, one small point. I like teaching very well, sir. I love teaching actually. I will tell you. I got these vibes from my father. My father is a legend in teaching actually. You know, maybe I will tell you one day. One day about one day about my story. How I got this position. I'm just like you only. I'm below average student. You cannot trust actually. I'm below average student in my academic. But after I done my graduation actually, I'm very serious about my career. Are boss, I should stand in one position. I have to give kind of some technical explanation actually. Getting a job, that is very easy. But my motto will be, I wanted to explain the topics in such a way that in a unique nature actually. One day I can explain actually. Is it fine for you? Maybe one day I can explain. My father, he's the legend actually in teaching. One day I can explain later. All right, we are running out with the time. Can I continue tomorrow? Is it fine? Yeah, good. So, we done for today's session. We will meet again. tomorrow. Thank you. We're done for today's session. Yeah. Let me upload the material, please. Let's upload the material. My system is a bit slow. Room is very exhausted. There is a one question here. Oh, no, no question here actually. Go back. Let me upload the material. I can take last 2 minutes actually. And function spot number 2. Twelve, 12, 12 matching. Then running nodes is missing actually. How is our material, sir? Easy to read. We can easy to understand. I'm sure it is very easy. Please prepare very well. Sir, all material. Till last today you will get me. Without material, no session from my side actually. I do have a material for everything. All right. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, boss. We done for today's session. That one is a separate discussion, sir. No, not required, but once connect with admin actually. But that one is a separate, and data science is that separate actually. Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, I forget that. Both the